Welcome back guys to the channel. So today we got a Trx4 Mini. So here it is out of the box. You get your remote, you get your charger which shows the battery level. You get your battery, manual, and tools. So the first thing I noticed, this is a hard body. The details on it are pretty cool. We got a little roof rack. Got that Bronco logo in the back, which is cool. Pretty sweet looking truck. And then of course you got the clipless body, which I really like because it just makes the truck look a lot more realistic. So we have the SCX24, so just a little size comparison. So this is 24 scale and that's 18. So you can see the Bronco is a little bit bigger. It's a little bit longer. The tire difference right there. Okay, so we got the battery plugged in. You get these little lights in the front. Feels really smooth. Almost could pop a wheelie. All right, let's take it outside. Let's see how fast this thing is. That's not bad. Okay, I'm not sure if this is waterproof, so we're gonna test out. Hopefully it's waterproof. Oh, it looks like it's going. So I guess it's safe to say it's waterproof. Yeah, nice thing about this car is that there's already a lot of stuff for it. So you could buy a little trailer from Traxxas, the lights. I've seen some people do some crazy flex kits on this thing. Let's see who could get up. Yeah! I mean, even those little lights are pretty cool. Let's see who could get down. Oh, oh. Ooh. Man, these little mini crawlers are so fun to play with. Yeah, the mirrors won't let it, so yeah, we have to go back down. I think there's a way to the side. So we came in this way, but I think we could get out this way. Cool little tunnel. Yeah! Overall, pretty cool crawler. It's not too dark yet to see how bright they are, but they are pretty bright. But I do like the hard body. The mirrors didn't break yet. I would probably get bigger tires for it and maybe lift it a little bit. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.